How to take video screenshots in CapCut PC. So if you want to take video screenshots in your CapCut PC, then first open up your CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut, now you can simply go for create project and you can import a video that you would like to take a screenshot of. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. Once you choose, now you can simply drag and drop that, and you need to move your cursor to the point where you would like to take a screenshot. So for example, I'll be choosing this point. Once you've taken, now you will have this image, right? So if you want to take a screenshot of this, then go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon. Click on it and then go for export still frames. Click on that and you can rename it. For example, I'll be giving it a name like image, and then you can choose the location, you can choose the resolution and the format, and click on export. And once you click on export, here you will have the screenshot. So that's how you can take a video screenshot in CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.